So the first thing you need to do, just put on some water, some salt, for the tortellini I just bought. So the next part would be to just cut the vegetables. I got also some chili, so tomatoes and paprika and the chili. So you cut the paprika, the chili and the tomatoes in tiny little squares. So this should be it. So the next step would be to cut some onions. I got some little ones from home, so not you don't need a lot. So the next step would be to add some little bit of olive oil. Heat this up. I'm really not that picky about this. I just throw the onions inside of here, no problem, right? And let them fry for some time, and in the meantime I will cut the garlic. Oh, and because the water is also heated up, I will just throw in the tortellini, and it's about 8 minutes. 8 minutes they should cook and they will be fine. So it really does not take long for the onions to fry. They look, I don't know, fried. So I will add the cut garlic, which I cut really nicely, small as possible, right? And the garlic also, maybe on this kind of heat, will take maybe half a minute. I can smell it already. So I will just not fry it so long. And I will put now in the vegetables. So yes, you should always lower the heat when you make pasta. Never mind. So this should be like this. I will just put in some salt. You don't need to put in any salt whatsoever if you don't want to. So this. So what else I like to put into the sauce? It's like pasta di pomodori. I don't know. It looks like this. You see? I don't know. It's not ketchup. It's I don't know. So I put this in, and some of it. You can choose how much you want. Really need that much. Doesn't matter that much. And very important, just put the lid on. Let it stay like this. It's been about 1 minute, and I will add some basil and some, I don't know, I call it onion, it's not really onion, whatever this is, some vegetable, and of course oregano, why not? So after spices looks like this, delicious. So when all is in the pot, you can easily put it to a higher temperature, cook it maybe 5 or 10 minutes as you like, just taste it after 5 minutes or so, it should be fine. And of course the tortellini are cooked, so they will just stand here, so they will just wait for the sauce, and I will make in the meantime the salad. So this is the salad I will be using. It's kind of quite dirty. I will just clean this off and cut it. Just cut the salad like this, or if it has bigger leaves you should do thinner strips, like maybe 1/5 of this, so this is about a finger. So the sauce, it looks like it's ready, right? But it's way too watery, so I will add some polenta. This is like corn something. So you just add some of this, mix it well, right? And this will thicken the whole thing. Just a good way to make this thicker. This is about it with the sauce. So to finish the whole thing, the salad, so you need some salt, right? Some salt. And I got some vinegar from apples and some oil from pumpkins. So just add some of the vinegar, some of the oil, and that's it. Mix it with a hand of course, and it's about it.